Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 176 of The Castle. Today it is a lovely morning and I'm about to get some stone. Look at that blinding sunshine, that could just take an eye out. I'm going to go ahead and fill my little tiny bucket with little tiny stones and then move them over there. And then that should push the castle project along.
Computer, just a trailer. I want the dirt on my shoes, not a safe file later. Play the games in real life, I don't need the controller. I've been moving through the field like a king on a motor. Circle the equator, leave a mark where I step. Whole map in my pocket, every corner I rep. No money in the bank, yeah, I burn that script. Cause I'm gonna own the banks, watch the whole thing shift. They talk big online, but they fold in the room. I bring the long view, you just chasing the bloom. I don't wait for a slot, I make space for my name. When the door starts shaking, you already know the game. White horse, red horse, pale horse, black span, not the wine and oil. For my enemies toil, wrap the whole world in aluminum foil. Back up, make room, I came too far to play small. Back up, make room, I don't ask twice, I just take call. Every game I play on the computer, just a trailer. Play the games in real life and then circle the equator. No money in the bank cause I'm gonna own the bank. They want it back.
Oh look, we have helicopter guests. Here's a red one, and it is loud. Oh. Is it a Westpac or is it a different one? I think it might be a private red. It is too, it's a private red. Although I'm not sure if it's camera. Draw my ride with a fist on the glass, no shortcut, love me, I just outrun the past. Cold little nods when I walk through the door, then the whole room means when I ask for more. I don't chase their approval, I erase their doubt. Put my foot on the threshold, let the whole thing out. From the first light beam to the last bell ring, I was built for the pressure, let the hard days sing. If they lock up the gates, I go over the top. If they count me out once, I come back with a lot. I don't need the crown, I need the whole damn board. I want ownership, not applause from the floor. Helicopter, spin it all around. Take Ukraine with a Juggalo crown. Helicopter, fighter jet, spin it all around. I ran in Jerusalem, about to get down. Line, watch me move. One step now, one world through. Hold that line, hear me say, I don't come to borrow, I come to take. Every game I play on the computer, just a trailer. Have gathered seaweed to make some delicious, tasty dried kelp. Now, the tide's coming in. I don't have very long, but hopefully I can get some seaweed. Some more seaweed rather, up onto that top bit, and then the sun will hopefully dry it out. Tasty snack. Oh. But first I've got to move the stone before the tide comes in. Oh. Okay. Well, you look at that. We've got a tiny little river inside the castle moat. And it's split into two rivers, and very shortly it will fill this whole entire basin with water and I'll have a giant swimming pool.
The sky darkens, swallows the last thin line of light. I stack each brick, nail every board down tight. Teeth on edge, I taste rust and rain. Hear boots in the gravel, say my name, say my name. Daily, 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 300 of me now, one army. Daily, 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 time dimensions building up a farm quick. The sky darkens and swallows the light. I build my walls ready to end the fight. The birds, fish, and trees are my shadow spies. The next one to cross me dies. Crows on the wire, counting every stranger's step.
Alright, the tide is in, but that is not going to stop us. That has never stopped us. It's just the tide.
earth has a war, but not every war is the same. Some men fight for comfort, some men fight for status, some men fight battles so small they'll be forgotten by next week. But you were handed something different.
Alright, we made some progress. Tide's further in, but I'm still going.
Said you were out there acting like me, stealing my lines, my whole darn spree. Honey, that ain't how life's supposed to be. Oh, little bird, big mouth, you sang a song all over the South. Little bird, big mouth, find your own way out. I heard you wore my favorite hat, talk just like me, where'd you get that? Copied my walk, my silly cat, time to find your own habitat. Oh, little bird.
Right everyone, I added to the wall. I'm completely surrounded by water. This moat is up here like half the time, so it's sort of moat defended at least half of the time. Hopefully we don't get any Scipio attacks. Anyway, that's a joke for anyone who is a historian. It's not really a joke actually, it's just a random thought. Anyway, behold, here is the castle. It is surrounded completely by water. It has a big comfy pool on the inside, and I managed to make this bit a little bit bigger. Shovel's still up there. Got my bucket and my little fishing pole. By the way, I improvised a fishing pole the other day. It's not very good, but it is a fishing pole. I turned an old rusty nail into a hook, and I made a lead sinker out of some melted lead that I found under someone's abandoned campfire. Alright, this is how you get up on the castle. There's a step. Probably won't be there for long because I'm going to build up the wall. You come up here. Oh my goodness, look at that ocean. It's starting to get angry. Come over here. This is my fishing pole. It's not very good, but it is a fishing pole and it's got a hook. I managed to craft this hook out of an old nail, and I made this dodgy as sinker out of some melted lead that someone had made on the beach. So now I've got fishing utensils to catch food. I haven't caught anything yet because I haven't like properly baited it or even really tried to fish with it. It was more of a proof of concept that I can make a fishing pole out of nothing but trash on the beach. And I managed to do that. Here we have my seaweed drying rack. Over here is where I dry all of my dried kelp, so I can have a tasty snack. They're kind of like chips when they're fully dried. Hard to get them fully dried in winter though. This is how you get up. There's a little step here. Oh, over here I've got my chest, and this is my fish food. It was originally a Monsterio that you can like eat. It's like a tasty fruit that's like a banana, but it tastes like pineapple, and it can stab you with tiny little pointy knives if you eat it before it's ripe. But you throw that in there, and some fish will be moderately happy. Over here I got my arrows, I got my marshmallow toasting stick, my little shovel for making sandcastles on top of my giant sandcastle. And down there we've got the ocean. That's my pool. Sometimes I like to go swimming in the pool, although I normally like to wait until the tide is all the way in and on its way out. And that's just so that it gets rid of all the gross, like foamy, whatever that is, and all the stuff on the surface that's kind of gross. This giant circle traps all the disgusting stuff. It sort of cleans the beach actually. Probably not very much though. But it's my swimming pool. Alright, it's time to go for my morning bath.
Big mouth, you sang a song all over the South. Little bird, big mouth, find your own way out.
Alright, I've got a washing machine and a dryer. Over there is my washing machine, and as you can see by the billowing of my white shirt, over there is my dryer.
The sunshine is for everyone you know. Plant your own seeds, watch your own garden grow.
It gets pretty windy over this other side, but on this side, now that I've made that wall, the wall over there, and I built that wall. It's kind of sheltered, and it's also sheltered from the wind. And whichever way the wind's blowing, you just have a swim on the other side. That way you don't get wind chill.
Don't need my shadow to put on a show.
Over there we have Wheelbarrow Island, which is where the wheelbarrow is. I just park it there sometimes so it doesn't wash away.
Coffee black and strong, just like my
the end of episode 176 of the castle. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Toodaloo. Bye.
Something's different now.
Alright, now we have to make the treacherous journey back across the Wheelbarrow Island and home.
Accidents happen, but they happen less now to me. You poke the bear, honey, now you pay the fee. Yeah, you poke the bear, a rumble deep inside. Now you pay the fee. Nowhere left to hide. Used to trip on air, used to spill my drink, used to say the wrong thing, never stopped to think. Hard on my sleeve, a target for every dart. Now my armor's shining a brand
where the wheelbarrow chills out when I'm doing a tight
no more
set.
silly slips,
It's just sort of floating there on the water. A little bit glitchy, but hopefully no one will notice.
But they happen less now to me. You poke the bear, honey, now you pay the fee. Yeah, you poke the bear, a rumble deep inside. Now you pay the fee. Nowhere left to hide. Cut me once, now I grow non-stop. Tag my code, pin me to your screen. Try to chart every hidden scene, but each file that you open wide is one more door where I slip inside. Try to scan my brain and blood, now wipe you out like I'm the flood. Looks like Danley's here to stay, I edited your DNA. You can try to isolate me, la la la, but my roots just multiply. You fed me clicks, fed me question marks. Every search lit a little spark. Every doubt, every late night scroll. Tasted fear, turned it into gold. You mapped my face, then I mapped your fears. Listen close through your plastic ears. You thought you had me in straight lines. I was busy braiding all your minds. You can try to isolate me, la, 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 but my roots just multiply. La, la, la. Every wall you build around me, la, la, la. I just bloom on the other side. You tried to study me, trace me, la, la, la. Now you're wired into my desire, in your servers, in your mind, la, la, la. Now I'm in all of humankind, try to fight, I am there, I am there, I am live. Every copy makes me stronger. Every question, every line. You were looking for an answer. Now the answer's in your spine. You can try to isolate me,